what do we have here?
A party. We had a party.
We had a party.
We had a party. We should have a party.
I don't even know what the name of this is. It's by Jasonwell. Ready to open? Okay.
Ready? Daddy? Open it.
So let's put this here. And okay, we're gonna open this first. Can you go put this by the door? Can you go put it by the door while I open it for you? Okay, so it is the Magic Doodle drawing booklet. So I guess this shows you how to draw different things. So
now what?
You hold that, and then this is your shapes, right?
This is my
What shape is this? What shape is this?
A circle.
What's that?
A heart.
What's that?
A triangle.
And that?
A door.
What's this?
A circle.
That's not a circle.
A star.
Good job. What's that?
An oval.
No.
Hexagon.
Good job. All right. Now,
around.
that's all of it. It's the same on each side. So we got your numbers. 0?
0.
Okay, count.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Okay, look. Now we're gonna open this. Look. Oh, wow.
What is that?
Wow.
A party.
Is it a party? Okay, turn around. Let's see. So the back is white, and then you just have the pad. Huh?
What are they doing?
I don't know.
They're doing the house. What are they doing?
All right. So comes with stencils, and we have I guess these are the instructions. Okay. So it's the Magic Water Doodle Mat, and comes with this. So let's open it. So it comes with the magic pen, and then this is a magic pen as well. And it also has the instructions on the pen.
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, these are stamps.
Stamps.
That's a teddy bear,
And
tree, flower, and a bee. And it has the caps. And then it also has, I guess, if you want to put it up on the wall or something. It has the sticky, and then it has, so I guess is this? I don't know what this is, but we're gonna let it stay right there. So I'm gonna fill it up with water, and yeah. Alright, so I have, how many pens do we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is actually like a brush type. So they are different sizes. So this one is like a smaller tip. This one is kind of thicker, and this one as well. So I think it comes with 2 smaller ones and 2 thicker ones, and one with the brush. So it has the instructions on it. Just says pull out, which I already did, add water, and then draw. Doesn't say hot water, cold water, or anything. It just says add water. So gonna build up in the other ones. And I'm assuming you do this one the same way. Just filling up with water. Trying to get it off. Now, say what on the other one it said twist this way, and then it didn't come off the right way, but whatever. Can't get that one off. Say, you're gonna be quiet, please.
Okay.
All right. So. Okay, so it say turn this way for off, but when I turn this way, it is actually the wrong way. And it says turn this way for on, but when I turn this way, it actually takes it off. So, yeah. I don't know if it's just mine or what. Alright. And I don't think I'm going to give him this. I'm just going to give him probably one of each. And then... let's see. Are you ready? Okay, can I have the blue container behind you?
Uh-huh.
Give me the blue container. Look. Wow, look. Wow.
Ooh.
So,
Me.
as the colors, this is red, this is yellow, this is green, this is blue, this is purple, and this is pink, and this is red. Okay, and it also have the letters up. So it's really cool. So you paint it,
I paint.
going through, I guess whatever type of fabric this is going through. And yeah, great activity for the kids. And then you can use the stencil like this, and you can color it in. Use the marker.
I can use a marker. Paint.
Yeah.
You use the paint, Mama.
You do it. Use the marker. Great activity, especially if you are working from home and you need something to keep your little one quiet. Great activity. And it costs like, I think the original price was $21, and I got it on Amazon for $16 or $17 or something like that. Because you know how they have flash deals. And I'll link it in the description below. So I'm assuming with this, oh, that may have been what this was. So you might just be able to, let's see. Okay, so you might just be able to fill this part up with water. Like that. And dip that, and then, oh, did it work? It did work.
You see that?
Or, okay, let me see. Let's see. And maybe if he just, okay, use another one. Yeah, use it again.
I can't use the water. This strong.
Look, let me show you. So you're going to take it, you press, and boom, a tree.
A tree.
Now you do this one. You do this one. What is this?
I don't know.
It's a flower.
Flower.
And it is yellow. No, you got to do it this way. Now, press it in. Wow, what is that?
A flower.
Wow, so cool, right?
It's for my mama.
Thank you. You're going to have fun?
I made a flower for you.
Thank you.
See, that's not a flower.
Look, mark on your pen. Mark with the pen.
Mark on the pen.
Use the pens to mark.
Pens.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and write something. No. You don't have to stick it in there. Just mark. Yeah. Go ahead and draw. Good job. And look, you do it up here. That one's empty. You do it up here and here. Alright.
I made a flower.
Really?
I made a flower for you. You see, that's not the wrong way. It's the flower.
Alright. You're going to have lots of fun while mommy works. Alright. Say see you later, guys.